Hi everyone, welcome to Raphael Math Room. In this video, try to solve for a Math Olympiad algebraic exponential equation 5 power a times 5 power a equal 105. What's the value of a? So now here we use an exponential formula which is a to the power m power n is equal a to the power m times n. By applying this formula, we'll get 5 to the power 2 times a is equal to 105, right? So now we will use both side log. Then we'll get the equation log times 5 to the power a is equal to log times 105. So here we have to use a logarithm formula which is log a power b is equal to b times log times a. So after applying this formula of logarithm in this equation, we'll get 2a times log 5 is equal to log 105. Okay, so after this we will divide it both side by log 5. Then the left side upper and bottom log 5 will be cancelled out and we'll get the left side value 2a is equal to log 105 divided by log 5. Alright, now here we can write log 105 and divided by 5, then we'll get 21. After divided by 3, 21 will be 7. So we can write 105 as a 7 times 3 times 5. So here, if you look carefully, we can write 2a is equal to divided by log 5 upper side log 7 times 3 times 5. This is equal this. Okay, now if you look here carefully, we use a logarithm exponential formula log mn is equal log m plus log n. Now we have to apply this formula in this equation. Then we'll get 2a is equal log 3 plus log 5 plus log 7 divided by 5. Now we'll write that single 2a is equal log 3 divided by log 5 plus log 5 divided by log 5 log 7 divided by log 5. Now this will be cancelled out and we'll get the single value of 1. So after that, if you look carefully, the next step will write that, you know, by using this exponential formula, which is log x divided by log y is equal to log y to the power x. Now we'll apply this here, then we'll get 2a is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by log 5 plus log 7 divided by log 5. So everyone, this is the simplify rule. Now we can write this as a 1 plus log 5 base 3 plus log 5 base 7. So now dividing by both sides with log only 2, then we'll get the left side the single value of a. So after that dividing, we'll get the single value of a is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 times log 3 base 5 log plus 1 by 2 times log 7 base 5. So guys, this is our answer, the value of a. But we have to verify this answer and we have to test. So the given equation will we get from the question, which is 5a times 5a equal 105. So from this given equation we can write this as a 5a whole square. So 5a whole square is equal to 105. So in this left side, we have to replace the answer which we get in the previous and replace into the value of a. So which is will not 5 power half plus half log 3 base 5 plus half log 7 base 5 whole square is equal to 105. That's simple as well, So now we'll use this exponential formula. A to the power m plus n is equal am times am. And this half will be we take common, and this square and half will be cancelled out. Then we'll get the single value of power 5 to the power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 7 base 5 is equal 105. Alright, now we can write 5 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 3 base log 5 times log 7 base 5 equal 105. Now we will use this logarithm exponential formula. A power log m base a is equal m. By applying this formula in this equation, we'll get the m value as 3 times 5 times 7 equal 105. This is 3 and this is 5, Now we'll do times that and we'll get 105 is equal 105. This is our proof. Hope you guys enjoying these solution classes. Please keep sharing it to your friends and do subscribe. And